Welcome to my channel. My name is Anna. This is my van Vanna. She's a 2023 159 extended wheelbase Pro Master super high roof model. And today we're gonna finally do our tour. So let's go see. Vanna is a self-converted camper van. I picked her up the day before Thanksgiving in 2023. I completed the build on about September of this year, 2025. That's a total 1 year, 10 months. Vanna is 9.5 feet tall with the max span open and an inside 6 feet, 9.5 inches tall. The sink is 18 by 18 by 10 inches deep. Also in the kitchen, I have an electric induction cooktop with 2 burners. And here we have the flip-up counter to extend the kitchen counter space. And an electrical digital air fryer toaster oven. So in here I have my refrigerator that is very fitting here. It is a chest style freezer and refrigerator. So here is my one and only DIY drawer where I hold my utensils, silverware, and tea towels and stuff. And because Vanna is a super high roof model on the ProMaster line, I have a lot of space here in my cabinets. And here is where I have one of my sub panels for my electrics. Down here is my closet where I store my telescoping ladder and my step stool for now. So on the passenger side of the van, I have a little bit of storage space under here. It was going to be Venus spot. And over here is where it extends more storage. And I typically carry all my computer or tools or whatever under here. So on my driver's side, I have a little bit of storage here with some electrics. I have a Blue Sea AC 3-position switches, Victron smart battery charger, my breaker box for my solar cables. And then I have the Renogy 60 amp 12 volt to 48 volt DC input MPPT solar charge controller. And I'm using it as a 24 volt. This is my Go Power automatic transfer switch for dual source, my inverter, and this Shore Power here, which is waterproof 30 amp. Now, when my Shore Power is in use, this automatic transfer switch kicks in and connects my battery charger. And so moving on over here, I have my 4,000 watt pure sine 12 volt DC to AC inverter. And my battery bank consists of 3 206 amp hour lithium iron phosphate batteries. And over here, around this corner here, is my Renogy 60 amp DC to DC charger and some bus bars, basically. And the bus bar, the sub panel you saw earlier, I connected here. And I have one of my removable panel here for ventilation purposes and to help me to get more space under there. In my control cabinet, I have my Max Band remote, my TV remote, and back there I have other various controls. Here I have my pull down up shade. Pull it down, pull it up both ways. Here I have a full-size Murphy bed opening up the bedroom. To lower the bed, I first undo the latches. The latches were installed because I did not want the winch to pull the bed all the way in fully. And because I decided to mount this large TV on the face panel of my bed, this is the reason why I installed the winch. And here's my Max fan. So on the back of my bandana, I have living in a bubble buck screen. I have Vanna Central storage on the doors along with some DIY panels. And on my sliding, I have living in a bubble butt screen. And here is my little door that I made where I can access my porta potty that I can pull out for cleaning purposes. And I can get a peek at my freshwater tank and a little bit of, and I have a small storage space there and an outside faucet as well. And here is my full size shower, 38 by 38, pretty much, and 20 inches in the small corners with a pocket door for my pass-through. Under my kitchen sink, I have my trash can and some cleaning supplies here. And the floor can lift to access my plumbing. My plumbing consists of my water valve, my hot water heat exchanger. This valve here is what I call my summer and winter mode for my radiant floor heat. Some photos of the installation process of the radiant heated floor. This is accessed under the other cabinet. And this right here is my caloric blower, which blows out heat. And this here is my air conditioner. This is the thermostat that controls it. And where is my toilet, you ask? It's accessed from the shower, and it rolls out right here. And here's my work setup for my day job. And over my closet, I have some storage space that extends all the way to the back above the cabin. So this is a huge amount of storage space here where I store most of my outdoor stuff. On my roof, I have 4 250-watt solar panels. I also have my Starlink, which is mounted with heavy duty magnets, and it's powered by this 12-volt adapter, which steps up to 30 volt. On the back here, I have my nightlight LED light to help me see at night, and all of my power is going through my my camera housing back there. So it's all fed into the van that way. So I mounted my condenser and compressor for the air conditioner underneath the van here. So you can see that here. And under here is the furnace for my hydronic D5E diesel heater. And this right here is the pump to pump the coolant. And underneath that heat shield back there is where the fuel pump is. And here peeking out is my gray water tank, the valve for it. So I have a shower door here. It's a walk-through, so it does go into the cabin area where I do have a pocket door that I can close, and lock it while I'm taking a shower or whatever. And while I was here at this campsite, I got the Luno bed. This is the Luno mattress, which has a blow up that fills in the cavity between the seat and in front of the seat, and a second piece that is a blow up mattress that goes over this. Here, I set it up with just the pieces that fill in the cavity. Then I cover that with some heavy rugs for my dog Lena. But this area, this Luno mattress would fit, someone comfortable, 5 feet 7 inches and shorter. A taller person, maybe not so much. If you made it this far, thanks for watching.
Hit like and subscribe.